Put the music back on.
Man, to be honest, my wife bought it, bro.
Christmas present?
Yeah, a little Christmas present.
We're trying to go
Man, shout out to the homies, man. They pulled up. My dog Ali. But man, damn, that bitch looks brand new, bro. Got the heads all done. Block ready to go. Damn, hell yeah.
I was so gone on my niggas, then I'm a rider, so I find myself in fucked up predicament. But they know you predicting me. Low-key niggas be hating. For they benefit, they have you in shitty situations. They post the lace to keep it straight, cause you the one with the pay. Nobody say, nigga.
What up, guys? Another beautiful day here in Florida, man. Look at that weather. Jesus. Little random vlog. I'm running around today. Got a busy day, man. I'm gonna go drop off some packages right now. Got some packages back there ready to ship. A couple rubber moldings in those packages, man. One going out to Las Vegas. So shout out to homie in Las Vegas who got a rubber molding. He's about to install a Titan window out there. But like I said, I'm about to go drop off these packages. Then I gotta go pick up a little dolly, a little U-Haul dolly. Gotta see my lady Sheila. She be blessing me on them U-Haul trailers. So I appreciate that, man. That's what I love about this small town. But there she goes right there. So after I get the dolly, I'm gonna go pick up the Trailblazer. You're gonna see me load up the Trailblazer TBSS. I'm gonna bring that home to the crib. Then after that, I'm gonna load up the single cab, which you'll see. I haven't even recorded no clips, but I'm about to load up my GMC single cab, if you can remember from the past videos, and take that to my mechanic tonight, and hopefully get that running soon. Man, I'm just chilling, listening to that new Kodak, vibing, zooted. Shout out to everybody, man. Comment down below where y'all watching from. I'm liking this camera. It's pretty dope. I like it. It's a lot. It's real convenient, man. So again, stay tuned for the video. Oh shit! Damn, homeboy flocked it out right there on the corner of the damn road. Stay tuned for the video. Let's see what we get into today, man. Got a lot of plans. I already did a lot. So let's get it. Damn, this is my little small town post office, man. It's tiny. There's only like one employee. Look at that line right there. What up, man? I'm back. God damn, I'm tired, boy. As you can see, I got old girl loaded up back there. Man, look at that. Look at that beauty. One of my favorite taco spots here in Ruskin. But one of my top 5, man. But like I said, I got it loaded up, man. I'm fucking tired. I got the other Silverado moved. About to re-energize real quick, and I get back to y'all. What up, guys? I got the Blazer unloaded. Man, this thing is dirty as hell. Been sitting for like, man, probably like 5 months. Get it all detailed real quick. And give y'all a little update, man. Show y'all the parts that I've gotten for it. Tell you my plans for it. Cop the drip. And just give y'all a little walk around. Show y'all the parts I'm about to throw in it. Got a new camera microphone hooked up, so hopefully it's working right. Well guys, there we have it. My 07, man, I think it's 07. I think it's either 07 or 09. I want to say it's 07. Sad, I've been owning it almost 2 years. I don't even know what year it is. But there it is, man. That's the 07 TBSS. I am looking to trade these wheels. They are 275. See if my shit focuses in. 275 30 ZR24s. Trailblazer Super Sport wheels. Oh man, they ride great. But since I'm beefing up the cam in this thing and, you know, making it go a little faster, I can't have these big ass wheels slowing me down. So anybody interested in trading the same wheels, chrome, polished, it don't matter, black, 22s, I'm looking only to trade for 22s because I got the stock 20s, but I'd like to trade these 24s for some 22s. That's the baby though. Finally got her all cleaned up. As you've seen in the earlier clips, I'm getting the motor almost wrapped up. Can't wait to start driving this thing again, man. These things are fun to drive. If you have one or if you rode in one, you know what I'm talking about. They handle great. They're fast as hell. Bad thing about it, they fucking drink gas, but man, if you're looking to save gas, drive a little Honda. But man, I love these things. So shout out to the whole TBSS community. It's like a family hood, man. Everybody shows love to each other. Let me show you the engine bay. I haven't gave you an update since the last video where I pulled it out. I gotta clean all that before I throw the motor in there. I just brought it home. But I'm gonna clean it all up before I throw the engine in there, get it all cleaned up, make it look real nice. Again, cop the decal, got these on the website. Here's the parts list, man. Well, not the parts list, but here's some of the parts I'm going to be throwing in there. Shout out to Texas Speed, always showing me love. Yo, we got these on our website. We got our own lanyards, SiempreTumbado lanyards. Got these things in the drippy purple design. And we also got them in the OG logo. Hop on the website, man. We got all kinds of stuff. Alright, but here's some of the parts I'm about to be throwing in the Blazer. All new gaskets. It's getting completely built, like you've seen. Everything's completely disassembled. I got a pair of GM Delphi LS7 lifters. Yeah, I know there's a big problem on these LS motors, and the LS7 lifters are the ones to go with. So I got some of those. But man, last time I did a video like this was the black truck when I was building that thing. If you OG Sprayed by Row subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. Damn, they're doing the keychain too. But I got a brand new the high flow. I think this is, man, I can't even tell you which oil pump this is. I got a terrible memory. But it's the GM, actual GM oil pump. You don't want to go with anything else. Brand new crank bolt. Brand new spark plugs. AC Delco. Only go with the best, man. I'm telling you, I done cheaped out, but you regret it. Brand new thrust plate for the cam on these LS motors. You know, if you don't replace this whole piece, this little rubber gasket gets flattened out and you lose oil pressure just like that. So every time you build a motor or take it apart, you want to replace that. Got a brand new 3-bolt timing gear because the original had the 1 bolt. Got the new LS lifter trays. Got a little decal, put that on the truck. I got the Texas Speed push rods. I went with the 1 piece, not the pressed in or nothing, so I don't have any issues in the future. And then also the exhaust gaskets. Again, I think these are GM. I didn't want to cheap out. And then we have the big boy cam. Look at that thing. She's a beauty. I went with the Torquer. Let me show you. So I ended up going with the Torquer V2 cam from Texas Speed, man. I love the way this cam sounds. But my last truck, I went with the big Lopey cam. I didn't really like that too much. This one is more of a high revving, high lift cam. It's going to sound more like a Corvette. So I am super excited to get that thing in there, man. The mechanic has the motor so far. I got the double springs, the chromoly double springs, the titanium retainers, all the new bearings he got, the pistons, the piston rings he has. I did have to purchase a brand new crankshaft because the other one warped, or not warped, but it got filed down too small. The guy said it's better off just buying a new one instead of trying to polish that one out. So I did have to purchase a brand new crank for the Trailblazer. How sweet of her. Look at her looking like the Grinch.
She was so embarrassed to go in.
There it is, guys. Little update on the Trailblazer.
Go wash your hands, Isa.
My bad, I'm eating this ice cream. Little update on the Trailblazer. In the next video, you'll see me installing the motor, putting it all together, and hopefully taking it to get tuned, because I'll get it tuned. I ain't taking it to Jeremy again. That guy fucked my other truck up. So shout out to you guys, man. Tune in for the next video. Subscribe, like, comment down below. And catch me on the next one for some more TBSS content.